Do you think it is really possible in 5 to 7 minutes with just 780 words? Do you think you can change somebody's life?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
5 to 7 minutes.
Yes.
And you're willing to take on that challenge?
I didn't say that.
But just think of it. It is quite an undertaking to change someone's life in 5 to 7 minutes with just about 780 words. Any of you have kids? You're better best. Never let it rest until your good becomes your better and your better becomes your best. And that is what I think it's all about. You're not entering the contest just to win. You're entering the contest to showcase your body of work over a period. Let me put it to you this way. If you knew that your Toastmasters life was going to end today, after today, you're no longer allowed, you're banished from Toastmasters. This is your one and only chance to give that speech that you have always wanted to give, but was never had the courage to do it. I want you to turn to that person. I know it's your secret, so share that secret with them. Anybody else?
Be true to yourself and follow your heart.
Be true to yourself and follow your heart. Okay, great start.
I like what he said.
What he said? Rat him out, rat him out.
Well, all I said is do whatever you do with passion as if there's no tomorrow.
Do whatever you do with passion, as if there will never be any tomorrow. And I love it. That is. Yes. So, once you have this speech inside of you, how are we going to get it out? How are we going to get that message to your audience effectively? Well, it all begins with focus. Your focus. And the mistakes many of us make is by displacing our focus.